RRB NTPC, Railway Recruitment Board Non-Technical Popular Categories. RRB NTPC stands for Railway Recruitment Board Non-Technical Popular Categories. It's a recruitment process for various non-technical posts in the Indian Railways. Here are some details. Apply link https://www.rrbapply.gov.in/hash/auth/lnding. Apply date 14th September to 13th October 2024. Posts 1. Junior clerk cum typist. 2. Accounts clerk cum typist. 3. Junior timekeeper. 4. Trains clerk. 5. Commercial cum ticket clerk. 6. Traffic assistant. 7. Goods guard. 8. Senior commercial cum ticket clerk. 9. Senior clerk cum typist. 10. Junior account assistant cum typist. 11. Senior timekeeper. 12. Commercial apprentice. 13. Station master. Eligibility 1. Age 18 to 32 years, relaxation for reserved categories. 2. Education 12th pass or equivalent, some posts require degree. 3. Typing skills for certain posts. The application fee for RRB NTPC is ₹500 for general candidates, ₹250 for PWBD, persons with benchmark disabilities, female candidates, transgender candidates, ex-servicemen, SC, scheduled caste candidates, SENT, scheduled tribe candidates. Additionally, candidates who appear for the computer-based test, CBT, will be eligible for a partial refund of the application fee. Refund amount ₹400 for general candidates, ₹250 for candidates who paid ₹250 as application fee. The refund will be made automatically to the candidate's account after appearing for the CBT. Selection process 1. ऑनलाइन कंप्यूटर बेस्ड टेस्ट CBT 1 CBT 2 CBT 1 ड्यूरेशन 90 मिनट्स 120 मिनट्स for PWBD. Negative marking 1/3 marks for each wrong answer. Sections Mathematics 30 questions 30 marks. General intelligence and reasoning 30 questions 30 marks. General awareness 40 questions 40 marks. Total 100 questions 100 marks. CBT 2 Duration 90 minutes. Negative marking 1/3 marks for each wrong answer. Sections Mathematics 35 questions 35 marks. General intelligence and reasoning 35 questions 35 marks. General awareness 50 questions 50 marks. Total 120 questions 120 marks. 2. Typing skill test for certain posts. 3. Document verification. 4. Medical examination. Exam pattern 1. CBT 100 questions 90 minutes. 2 subjects general awareness, mathematics, general intelligence and reasoning. Here are some tips to help you crack the RRB NTPC exam. 1. Understand the exam pattern. Familiarize yourself with the exam format, syllabus, and marking scheme. 2. Prepare a study plan. Create a schedule and stick to it. Allocate time for each subject and topic. 3. Focus on weak areas. Identify your weaknesses and concentrate on improving those areas. 4. Practice with mock tests. Take online mock tests to simulate the actual exam experience and assess your performance. 5. Improve your typing skills. Practice typing to increase your speed and accuracy, especially for posts requiring typing skills. 6. Stay updated on current affairs. Regularly read newspapers and stay informed about current events, sports, and government schemes. 7. Revise and practice mathematics. Focus on math shortcuts and practice regularly to improve your speed and accuracy. 8. Enhance your reasoning skills. Practice puzzles, riddles, and brain teasers to improve your logical reasoning. 9. Join a study group or online community. Connect with fellow aspirants to share knowledge, resources, and stay motivated. 10. Stay calm and focused. Manage your stress levels and maintain a positive attitude throughout the preparation and exam period. Here are some question answers for RRB NTPC. General awareness. Q1. Who is the current chairman of Railway Board? A. Vinod Kumar Yadav. Q2. Which Indian railway station has been certified as the world's first green railway station? A. Gandhinagar Railway Station. Q3. What is the name of India's first semi-high speed train? 3. Vande Bharat Express. Mathematics. Q1. If x plus 1 x 3, then x 2 plus 1 x 2. A 7. Q2. A train travels 200 kilometers in 4 hours. What is its average speed? A 50 kilometer per hour. Q3. If 5% of x 20, then x? 3. 400. General intelligence and reasoning. Q1. Which of the following is not a type of cloud? A1. Cirrus, cumulus, stratus. Answer. Rainbow. Q2. A snail is at the bottom of a 20-foot well. Each day, it climbs up 3 feet, but at night, it slips back 2 feet. How many days will it take for the snail to reach the top? A 18 days. Q3. Identify the next number in the series 2, 5, 10, 17, 26. A 3. 37. Typing skill test. Q. What is the minimum typing speed required for RRB NTPC? A. 30 words per minute, WPM, for English and 25 WPM for Hindi. Current affairs. Q1. Who is the current Union Minister of Railways? A. Ashwini Vaishnav. Q2. What is the name of India's first indigenous locomotive? A. Vap-Paach. Q3. Which Indian city has been ranked as the cleanest railway station? A. Gandhi.